Welcome to my channel. So welcome back, guys. So we have another unboxing video, and we have a couple of boxes here. We have one box ng SpyX family, and then two boxes ng Pop Mart Lilios daily getaways. Tapos we do have binigyan kami ng free item nung shop na pinagbibilan namin. And ito yung free item na binigay sa amin. Actually, hindi siya... we selected this. So, we had a chance na mag-select dun sa group of boxes na free. And ito yung napili namin. So, The Crow. So, if yung mga younger generation, baka hindi nyo na alam to. But this is based on a movie. And it's so cool na nakalagay siya sa parang lagayan ng VHS tape. Hindi ko na alam to kasi hindi ko to kapanahonan eh. Shut up. So, ito siya. Open din natin yan for today's video. So, we'll start with SpyX family, and then Lilios, and then yung free box. So, tingnan na natin. Let's see. Open na natin to. So, ito yung SpyX family. And, based dito sa box, may anim na Anya, and then may one secret, which is 1 out of 72 boxes. Ang gusto ko lang talagang makuha dito is ito, yung Sleeping Anya. Kasi gusto kong may kasama yung si Mama Yor. Yung display natin si Mama Yor. So, lahat naman to okay sa akin. It's just that ito yung pinakagusto ko. So, yung Sleepy Anya. So, let's check. Tignan na natin kung anong ating makukuha. Let's see. Let's open na yung box. So, ito na siya. So, ayoko i-touch. Ayoko akapain kasi baka malaman ko kung anong-ano. Let's open na natin. So, ayan. Let's open this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hindi siya yung ano. Pero ang cute. Yung umiiyak na Anya yung nakuha natin. So, yung crying Anya yung ating nakuha. Let's get the card. Yan. Cry. Anya Forger. SpyX family. Very cute! So, meron siyang stand. Yan. Let's put her sa stand. Sad, hindi natin nakuha yung Sleeping Anya. Anyways, that's fine. That's fine. There's more chances na mag-unbox. So, eto na nga. So, let's put this here. Parang, I don't know if tama ba yung pagkakabit ko. Or, hindi ako marunong. Tama ba yung placement? No. Parang, ayan, yan, tama. Yan. There we go. Very cute. So, may kasama na si Anya at saka si Mama Yor. So, let's proceed to the next box. So, ito si Lilios. The reason why I bought this is, meron akong dalawang acrylic case na walang laman, and I just need a filler, and nakita na ko dito. So, we'll test if maganda yung itsura or design ni Lilio. So, in the future, we can buy a full box of Lilio. So, ito yung mga pwedeng makuha. So, if you can see, we have here Little Gardener, Chilling in the Park, Summer Breeze, Firefly Night, Catwalk, Puppy Time, Snow Angel, and Cream Mustache. Meron din siyang secret, which is ang secret na meron siya is 1 out of 96. So, let's see kung ano ating makukuha. So, wala akong anything particular na gusto since this is a test run sa kanya para makita natin. And let's open the box. Let's see kung anong ating makukuha. So, ito yung box niya. And let's open. Sharan! Oh! Ang ganda! Ang cute! Sino to? This is Catwalk! Ang cute! Ang cute! Bakit parang meron siyang... May accessory siya. Ito. So, meron siyang accessory. So, ang accessory niya is yung stand and yung... Ha! Ang cute! Catwalk yung name nung nung figure. Pero, look kung ano yung kanyang winowalk. Isda. Ayan. So, ayan. Let's assemble. Assemble natin siya. Let's put this here. Ayan. And then, let's get na yung kanyang stand. Let's see. Ang ganda nung stand niya, oh. Parang, may splash pa ng water. Habang nakataas yung paa niya. Very, very nice, ha? Ang ganda ng design, ang ganda ng color, vibrant, and yung emotion ng eyes. So, yan yung category na gusto ko. Gusto ko sana yung parang buhay yung eyes and may emotion. So, yan, ang ganda. Very pretty. Let's move on to the next box. So, let's see. Let's check. Ito yung box. Let's open. Ha? Bakit? Bakit ganun? Ang sad. Duplicate. First time ko itong magkaroon ng duplicate. Ang sad. So again, parang ang OA yata na nasabi ko ang ganda niya. So, ayan. Meron tayong duplicate nung nung figure niya. So, I don't know what I'll do with this. Probably, I don't know. Comment down below kung anong gusto nyo siya. So, ayan. I-set up ko pa ba siya? Yes, wag na. Sayang, hindi ko siya ibubukas yung yung accessory niya. And I'll put it back sa box niya. Just in case, I'll think about it kung anong gagawin natin sa duplicate na yan. Anyways, so, again, since duplicate siya, hindi siya malalagay dito, and I've said earlier, dalawa nga, so, kailangan ko parang isa pa na naman. So, another unboxing video. So, yan. Going back, moving on. Let's move on. Ito na nga, meron tayo, ito, very first time ko mag-open na ganito. This is free from the place where we get yung items natin or yung ina-unbox natin. So, let's open this. Very first time ko to. Because I don't get anything from Funko. Wala akong Funko Pop. So, this is a first for me. Let's see. And I'm happy. Thank you so much sa binigay na free sa atin. Yan. Sana lagi po kayo magbigay. Funko Pop, Pop Mart, ano na? Charot. Ito na nga. So, ayan. The Crow. I don't know how this works. Pero yeah, ito siya. Let's see what's inside. So, ayan. Find the chase. Blah, blah, blah. The figure this figure inside. Ayan. Ito daw yung figure na nasa loob. So, The Crow. Let's see. Oh. So, ito siya. Let's see. Let's open it. So, The Crow. Tapos, meron din siya card. The Crow. Eric Draven. Oh, ang ganda ng card. It's like plastic. Parang, SM, card. Advantage card. Parang ganun yung So, ayan. Nice yung nung figure. Tapos, may guitar pa siya, oh. Oh, very nice. So, kasama siya sa mga ma-i-display natin. Wala siyang stand, but I guess makakatayo siya dyan. So, I'm not sure if tatanggalin ko siya dito kasi ang ganda ng case niya, oh. Hindi siya basta-bastang tinatapon na case. So, the case should stay as it is. So, I'll just think of a way on how I will be displaying this. So, ayan. So, ayan. Yan yung lahat ng boxes na i-unbox natin. After this, I'll go ahead and place them sa ating ano ba tawag dito? Kalimutan ko. Rotator. Basta yan. I-display ko sila later and I'll show it into the end part of our video. So, thank you so much for joining me for today's unboxing, and I'll see you again next week or on my next unboxing video. See you. Thank you so much. Bye!